Welcome all to Bytes and Brushes, the channel where you're going to see reviews of 3D STL files which we received or which we bought for scale modeling. So let's have a look at the first one. The first one we're going to check and actually print are the late Tiger tracks of Tankbrusher. You can find them on Cults 3D and you can buy them for $4.99. I will leave the link in the description. What you will see is that there are a lot of different kind of designs which you can buy from Tankbrusher. This is one of the latest designs if I'm not mistaken, and I'm currently building a Tiger one from Takom. I think this is the best opportunity to actually test them and see if they work out. One big disclaimer: if I'm having problems with printing or whatever, that's not saying something about the quality of the design. It could be my fault, it could be anything, because it is printing and you never know what happens. But the good thing is, these worked out perfectly fine. If you buy the files for $4.99, you can see you get like 4 different kind of objects. One is the tracks with supports, you got the separate pins, and also a big box where all the pins are already included. I printed actually the box 2 or 3 times, but rest assured you only need just one box, and I could do 2 tracks of these. And to make sure you can print them effectively, you need to do a few things. That's actually including a kind of a raft and merging different kind of track links together. So here you can see I took 2 different links, put them together and made a set of 2, and I copied these, guess what, into a set of 10 totally. If you use the 10, it's very easy to create a full board of tracks, which you can see here. This is actually a second one I used, but in the end I made sure I had like 100 tracks per print, and you need like 92, 95-ish to make one set of tracks. So that worked out perfectly fine for me. You also see some print settings, just an indication, don't take it for granted, do your own experimentation to make sure you print them all well. And this is the end result. So I printed them on my Elegoo Saturn II. It's a 8K printer with just a standard resin, 0.05 layer height, and I can honestly say these are absolutely pristine if you look at the different kind of prints we have. I had no failures whatsoever, and even the cleaning up was very easy to do. So you can see that I did a little bit of cleaning up in between in the track links, because I missed out on a few different kind of supports. But in the end, if you put them in a bottle of hot water, you just snap them off with no problems at all. So in the end, the printing was like maybe half an hour, and then cleaning them and making sure you dry them and then put them in the curing machine. So these were already printed a day ago, cured, and then you can quite easily start matching them together. The good thing from these is I never used the pins myself. I used like a copper wire, but in this case I start using the pins, and you can already see in the video they are absolutely snap tight. If you're very quiet and you use them, you will hear a soft kind of clicking noise, very satisfying clicking noise, because that means they are perfectly fine and they are completely stuck to each other. I always start with one end, and in the end you're going to turn them around and you go for the other side. So I think we have one more. Maybe what I always do is like I put 10 together, make sure they all have the different kind of pins in them, and when we have 10 done, I'm going to do something else regarding scale modeling and then do another 10. But in the end it's like a few minutes for 5 or 6 of them, so it won't take that too much time. Cleaning up is easy as well, and it's just putting in the pins, dropping them down, snap tight, no worries at all. And there's only one good way to illustrate it. Now, well, it's actually in this way, actually doing it and showing it what the effect is of printing files. As you can see, they are very crisp print, and I already did a complete set of them. 92 or 95 track links, depends on the way you want them to sag them down, but it's very easy to print those in a very short amount of time, and quite cheap for $4.99, and you can print them for friends as well. Fit is really great on the track links or on the sprockets. I tried it before, if I'm not mistaken, and Tankbrusher also indicates that you can use them on different kind of model kits. This was the Takom one. I think you could also use them on Dragon or Tamiya, but I didn't actually try those because I only have the Takom ones. I really like the Takom tanks. Quick, easy build, and if you use these tracks, they really look fantastic. I'm almost done with the Tiger tank, but I already tried to actually put them on the Tiger itself, and as you can see, I tried it here, just putting in a pin to make them stick, but you really have a kind of a sag, and they are really highly recommended if you're going to build one of the Takom tracks. So I hope you like this quick kind of review of STL files which we actually buy and print for ourselves and going to use. And like and subscribe, and see you next time.